Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Island. Today, we are going to sweep you off your feet with our collection of 24 car gadgets that are going to make your car rides smoother than ever this year. So let's head on to Amazon and help you find your next delivery. Number 1. SENAR Safety Tool. With this safety hammer, you never get stuck in a stressful car emergency. It combines a seatbelt cutter and flat hammer, ensuring all-round protection. Additionally, the bright color and reflective tapes of this gadget offer easy access during emergencies. It also features a tungsten steel hammer head and cutter blade, making it an absolute must-have for life-saving measures in accidents. This tool could save your life one day, so don't miss out on it. Now let's move on to our next find. Number 2. Tick Penetrating Cleaning Gel. Are you looking for a hassle-free solution to clean those hard-to-reach spots in your car? Then be sure to get this cleaning gel. This stuff is like magic. It gets into all those tight spaces and picks up dust, crumbs, and even pet hair with ease. Plus, it's super easy to use, and you can keep reusing it until it's dark. And bonus, it smells like cherry blossoms. So go ahead and welcome your sparkling clean ride. Moving on to our next pick. Number 3. Stalwart Heated Blanket. If you're tired of freezing your buns off during road trips, this portable heated blanket is your new best friend. Just plug it into your car's cigarette lighter, and bam! Instant warmth. And get this, the cord is crazy long, so everyone in the car gets a piece of the cozy action. Plus, it's very lightweight and folds up well, so it won't hog all your trunk space. Oh, and did we mention it makes a killer gift? Yeah, you'll be the hero of every winter road trip. Number 4. Feebreeze Freshener Clip. Banish odors fast with these vent clips. These are very easy to use. Just activate and enjoy the fresh scent. With 3 clips per pack, your car stays smelling sweet for miles. Get them for yourself or as a gift using the link in the description. Trust us, your nose will thank you. Coming up next, a car essential. Number 5. ALN Retractable Mirror Wiper. This rear-view mirror wiper is a game changer. Made of premium rubber, it's gentle on mirrors and clears water and fog without scratches. Its compact size saves space, and its extendable design ensures easy cleaning for both sides of the mirror. A must-have for rainy days. Now let's talk about those shades with this next invention. Number 6. Echo Sunglasses Holders. Ever struggle to find a safe spot for your shades while driving? Say no more with this premium leather sunglasses holder. Its magnetic design ensures your glasses stay put, even on bumpy rides. Installation is a breeze, and its multi-purpose use adds convenience. Plus, it's sleek and compact, prioritizing safety while adding a touch of luxury. Number 7. ITC Center Console Pad. Tired of your car's center console feeling like a torture device for your elbows? Meet your new bestie, this armrest pad. It's made of high-quality PU leather, making it soft, waterproof, and tough. Plus, it's a breeze to clean. With a universal fit and easy installation, it's perfect for most cars. So if you're ready to upgrade your driving comfort, grab yourself this cool gadget. Number 8. Bling Premium Steering Cover. Add some bling to your ride with this shiny new steering wheel protector. It's not your average cover, it's spliced with rhinestones and soft leather, creating a dazzling effect when the sun hits it. Plus, it's made of breathable PU leather, so it's comfy and anti-slip. And installation? Easy peasy. Just slap it on and tighten it. Drive in style today with this amazing gadget. If your car has scratches, you will love this next gadget. Number 9. SEO Scratch Remover Pen. This scratch removal pen is a lifesaver. Really. With this pen, you just clean the scratched area, shake the pen, and apply. It dries fast, saving you time. Once applied, this pen will make scratches less noticeable and prevent rust. Plus, with a little polish afterward, your paint will shine. Say welcome to your fresh-looking ride. Coming up next, a cute addition to your car. Number 10. Kawai Neck Pillow. Now let's dive into the world of driving comfort with these adorable, cute neck pillows. They're not your ordinary neck rests. They're cute, cozy, and designed to make your driving experience extra delightful. Plus, they're versatile enough for any chair, be it in your car, at home, or in the office. Not to mention they make the perfect gift for your pals who love cute stuff. So why wait? Upgrade your driving comfort game today. Up next, let's talk safety. Number 11. Dino Auto Deer Whistles. This auto deer whistle is your ticket to avoiding unexpected run-ins with wildlife. Made of tough plastic, it emits a loud sound, alerting deer and other critters to stay away. It is also easy to install and looks discreet, blending seamlessly with your car's look. With a universal fit and durable construction, it's a small investment for big peace of mind on the road. Speaking of car essentials, check out Number 12. CarSun Digital Air Compressor. This smart air compressor is a lifesaver for inflating tires. Just plug it into your car, set your desired pressure, and it shuts off automatically. With high max pressure and great airflow, it offers quick inflation times. Plus, it has a digital display and LED lights for your convenience. Ready for hassle-free tire fill-ups? This compressor has got you covered. Number 13. Reeve Cup Holder Coasters. Don't want those nasty cup stains in your car? Check out these awesome coasters. These are not your average coasters. They're made of high-quality rubber, making them durable and slip-resistant. Plus, they come in a universal size, fitting most car cup holders. And the best part? They're super stylish, with a range of designs and colors to choose from. Easy to clean and reusable. They're a must-have for any car interior. Moving to the next one. Number 18. Ender Sealing Cargo Net. If you have run out of storage space in your car, you will love this sealing cargo net. With 9 reinforced straps, it keeps your gear secure without blocking your rearview mirror. Easy to install and perfect for most vehicles, it creates extra storage space for all your essentials. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organized travels with this essential gadget. Speaking of essentials, this next gadget will blow your mind. Number 19. KO Gap Cover. This handy car seat gap cover keeps your essentials organized on the road. It creates extra storage space for your phone, wallet, and more, making them easy to reach while driving. Made of high-quality materials, the sturdy build of this organizer will last through any adventure. It's a great addition to any car, that is for sure. Number 20. Pack Snow Removal Kit. This epic snow removal kit is a lifesaver in those chilly winter months. First off, it's all about protecting your vehicle. The extendable snow broom and shovel makes snow removal a breeze. No more straining or struggling. This kit also includes screen-sensitive winter gloves and an LED beanie to keep you warm and visible in the snow. Would you like to have one of these for your car during the next winter? Let us know in the comments down below. Number 21. Astro Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. This tire pressure gauge is all about precision and ease. With its digital display, you get instant and reliable readings. Whether you're dealing with Schroeder valves or Presta stems, this gauge forms a perfect seal for accurate readings. Plus, it's super versatile. Oh, and did we mention the non-slip texture? It's comfortable to hold in any environment. Let's discover our next great car gadget. Number 22. Moxy Windshield. Umbrella Shade. This sunshade is your ultimate summer savior. With its premium build and 10 anti-bending support ribs, it blocks 99% of UV rays, keeping your car cool and protected. It also offers unmatched heat absorption, keeping your car cool even on the sunniest day. With its universal size and easy setup, it's a must-have for any car or truck. Number 23. CPL Change Organizer. Tired of jingling pockets? Meet this coin holder, a compact solution for your loose change. It is crafted from premium silicone, making it highly durable. With 4 slots for different coins, it holds up to 55 coins. Plus, with clear markings on top, you can easily spot and grab the coins you need on the spot. This gadget is super convenient to have. Number 24. Lent Car Hub. This amazing car hub offers everything. With fast charging capability, it juices up 3 devices simultaneously, so your gadgets stay powered up on the go. Plus, this gadget also works as an FM transmitter. Its Bluetooth chip offers a stable connection and faster pairing. Additionally, its advanced technology allows for deep bass and lossless sound. a real treat for music lovers. That's it for today. You can find all the links for these products in the video description down below. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for similar content. Thanks for watching.